Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome again, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin again. So yesterday we said that probably minor continuation could happen on the Bitcoin and COP target on the hourly chart around 64 even, because the initial impulse on the intraday charts yesterday was significant, and usually such kind of the action has at least minor continuation, and that really has happened. Still, on the daily chart, the situation is far from bullish actually, because market doesn't give any sign of breaking and trying to break the bearish context. Take a look what really has happened yesterday on this upside action. Market still stands inside the range of this collapse that has happened on Monday. It's breakout of our triangle here, if you remember. And with this upward action, market still stands inside of this range, so no breakout has happened. Besides, market can't return back inside of this consolidation, so it's going below the lower body and can't move inside of it. So this is necessary condition to suggest further upward continuation. So market should return back inside of this consolidation and come back to these tops. If this will happen, in this case we could count on some higher upward continuation, but currently we do not see it. Besides, take a look, if market will stand somewhere around the same areas, the same levels, we could get the bearish grabber on the daily chart, which suggests the taking out of these lows. In this case, we will get the chance to suggest different patterns, multiple patterns. So initially we talked about this A, B, C, top, D pattern that stands very close to these lows, approximately 60 even. Also, we will be able to suggest kind of the butterfly, because we have two grabbers in place that suggest the taking out of these lows, but also we could get another grabber that will suggest for taking out of these lows. In this case, you could see that become kind of the butterfly could be suggested here. So different patterns depending on price action. But currently, as I said, market doesn't show any significant bullish signs. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, that is particularly the story that I'm talking about. Take a look, that's collapse has happened. Market stands inside of this range, and market can't return back inside of this consolidation. That's important, because if it will return right inside, it will be chance to suggest, if not the hand shoulders, but at least this will be very typical for suggesting of kind of the ABCD pattern higher. As the consolidation collapsed inside, return right back up, so it means some kind of the rejection of price action that will look at least slightly bullish, and this will give the chance to think about the ABC action. But currently, that hasn't happened yet. So on the hourly chart, also today we probably suggest some retracement within a few hours, because take a look, market has completed our ABC bottom COP target. Almost has completed, so here's approximately 64 even. And the stop was the 63.80, so very close. Now market is turning down. This ABCD action gives us kind of the gap steeple to sell, and it suggests at least the minor retracement to the 30% and 63.10 approximately. So this is the minimal retracement that could happen. If market will proceed lower, in this case we should recall the daily picture where we could get the grabber right at this top. And if market will close in lower, well, this increased the bearish expectations from the market on the next week. So that's our opinion on the Bitcoin.